Hi kids! It's me, your teacher Ian, and I'm here to help you answer the activities in your module in English 1. Pero bago magpatuloy si teacher, sasabihin ko lang na gagawin natin Taglish itong video lesson. Ang topic natin, sentences and non-sentences. And this will be for 2 weeks of the third quarter, weeks 2 to 3. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para updated lagi kayo sa lahat ng latest videos na i-upload ko. And if you want to get notified, just click the notification bell. Wait, bago ulit ituloy ni teacher, bakit gagawin kong Taglish to? May nag-request na mas may intindihan daw ng bata kapag Taglish na nag-agree naman ako, no? At saka super tagal kung gawin kapag pure English. Pagkatapos nun, may isip ko pa rin na baka mahirapan. Especially, di ba, if sa bahay, you don't use English as your instructions, ganyan, hindi pa familiar yung bata, mas mahihirapan talaga. No, sana mas makatulong to kung gagawin kong Taglish. Mag-iwan lang ng comment kung balik tayo sa English or much better to. Okay? At the end of the lesson, you are expected to recognize sentences and non-sentences or the phrases. Ito ay nasa ano na natin to, what's that? Filipino. The pangungusap at parirala. No, yung sentences, when we say sentence, ito yung pangungusap in Tagalog. And we have the non-sentences as parirala. You will understand that better mamaya dun sa flow na ating slides, okay? And I prepared basic sight words na nalimutan kong ilagay, kids, doon sa ating first video lesson na I think makakatulong sa inyo ng marami itong basic sight words na ito. At gagawin natin to every video lesson before mag-start yung mismong lesson natin. Okay? Ginagawa ko to sa face-to-face at para mas matandaan niya, not just the word, but the spelling of it, ganito ang pagbasa. R. A-R-E. R. I let them spell the word. Okay? Mas maganda yon. Tapos paulit-ulit lang kami ng ganito para mas matandaan. Sa grade 1, for you, mas maganda yung paulit-ulit kasi yung repetition ay maganda for retention. Is. I-S. Is. Repeat after me. R. A-R-E. R. Is. I-S. Is. Where. W-E-R-E. Where. Was. W-A-S. Was. What. W-H-A-T. What. Who. W-H-O. Who. When. W-H-E-N. When. Where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. How. H-O-W. How. Of. O-F. Of. And. A-N-D. And. That. T-H-A-T. That. The. T-H-E. The. This. T-H-I-S. This. This. T-H-E-S-E. This. Those. T-H-O-S-E. Those. Will. W-I-L-L. Will. Shall. S-H-A-L-L. Shall. Must. M-U-S-T. Must. Get. G-E-T. Get. Would. W-O-U-L-D. Would. Should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. Not. N-O-T. Not. Be. B-E. Be. We. W-E. We. You. Y-O-U. You. Your. Y-O-U-R. Your. My. M-Y. My. Do. D-O. Do. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Did. D-I-D. Did. Has. H-A-S. Has. Have. H-A-V-E. Have. Had. H-A-D. Had. Can. C-A-N. It could be can. Okay, can when it pertains to kaya, kayang gawin. But can for lata, can. C-A-N, can. Could. C-O-U-L-D, could. May. M-A-Y, may. With. W-I-T-H, with. In. I-N, in. On. O-N, on. Now, let us have an activity of what we had last week, and that is about rhyming words. We were going to identify here if the pair of words rhyme together. O kung ito rhyming words, say yes. Kapag hindi, say no. Face, race. Yes or no? But this one, ang ilalagay ko na lang check or cross. Okay? Instead na isulat ko yung yes or no. Okay, yes or no? Correct. This is rhyming words. Next one, boat, coat. Answer? Yes, rhyming words. Next one, jump, happy. The answer? No. Di magkatunog, di ba? C, amp. Then, P. Magkaiba. So, no. Next one, cook, lock. Cook, lock. Answer? Still no. Why? Ito ay cook, tapos ito ay lock. So, magkaiba, kaya no. Last one, we have seed, feet. Answer? No. This is it. And this one is it. So, magkaiba. No, not rhyming words. When words are combined, you will be able to form a phrase or a sentence. A phrase is a group of words. It is a non-sentence. It does not have complete thought. A sentence is also a group of words that gives a complete thought or idea. Now we have here examples. The family prays together. Letter B, Ethan and Joy. C, a talented girl. And D, they study their lessons. From these examples, A and D are sentences. They show complete idea. Each has its own subject and predicate. Examples B and C are non-sentences. They do not show complete meaning. You will be able to understand that better later. Explain ni teacher ng mas malinaw and in Tagalog syempre. So, I changed the flow. Dun sa module ninyo, kids, ay ito, latter part pa, after pa na activities. So, I chose, pinili na lang ni teacher to explain this first para mamaya tuloy-tuloy tayo sa pagsasagot na. Sentences and non-sentences. When words are combined, you will form a group of words which may either be sentence or a non-sentence. What do we mean by sentence? A sentence is a group of words. It tells a complete thought or idea. It is composed of a subject and a predicate. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. In our Filipino, we studied about this last week, the week 1. Diba? In-explain doon ni teacher paano nagiging pangungusap. No? Yung paggamit ng tuldok, ng tandang pananong, tandang padamdam, nangangahulugan lamang, ayan, pagka gumamit ka nito doon sa pinakang dulo ng iyong sentence, that only means that is an example of sentence. Kasi ginagamit yung bantas na yan, that mark, para to indicate that that is an example of a sentence. Now, yung beginning daw dito, beginning ng sentence, capital letter. Ibig sabihin ay nagsisimula sa malaking titik. No, yun ang pangungusap. Dapat talaga nagsisimula sa malaking titik. And here, sabi, it is composed of a subject and a predicate. Bigay tayo example. We have here example wherein we're going to identify the subject and the predicate for you to understand what is a sentence. Ella plays the piano. Who is being talked about in this sentence? Sino daw yung pinag-uusapan? Okay? Sino? Si Ella. Ella is the subject. Si Muno in Tagalog. Siya yung pinag-uusapan. Now, if there are words that explain or tell about Ella, okay, that is the predicate. Pag sinabi natin predicate, ito yung nagsasabi kung ano yung ginagawa or kung ano yung tungkol dito sa subject. Kapag mayroon ganun, ha, bukod dito mayroon pa tayong period dyan, kapag ganun daw, that is a sentence. Another we have, the sun rises in the east. Okay? Ano daw yung, ano bang Tagalog sa rises? Sumikat. Ano daw yung sumikat doon sa east, sa silangan? The sun, yung araw. Okay? Ito yung pinag-uusapan dito sa sentence. And what words or what are the words that tell about the sun? Rises in the east, and that is our predicate. Okay? Meaning, this is an example of a sentence. Complete idea. May subject, may predicate. The last one we have, the garden is beautiful. What is beautiful? The garden. What is all about the garden? It is beautiful. So, yun. We have the subject, meron din tayo predicate plus the mark at the end of the sentence. So, these sentences are examples of sentences. Okay? A sentence. Next, we have a non-sentence. Like a phrase is also a group of words. O katulad din naman ng sentence, group of words din. Kaya lang, dito sa non-sentences natin, ito walang complete thought. Pwedeng mayroong subject, pero walang predicate. Pwedeng predicate lang, pero walang subject. Okay? Example. Let us have examples of non-sentences or the phrases. No, ito yung may subject, pero walang predicate, o may predicate, pero walang subject. Hindi nga complete, no? Hindi buo. Playing the piano. Who is playing the piano? Sino daw yung naglalaro na tumutugtog ng piano? Walang nakalagay, di ba? Meaning, hindi kumpleto. That is a phrase. White garden. Nasaan yung white garden? Saan nandun? Sinabi ba? No. Kanino yung white garden? Sinabi ba? Hindi din. So, hindi complete. Jason's dogs. Oo nga, May dog nga si Jason. Pero, ano ginagawa nila? Wala. Sinabi lang na may dog si Jason. Pwede yun na, ano ba? These are the dogs of Jason. That is a complete sentence. But here, Jason's dogs, wala lang. Dog lang, Jason. Pero anong ginagawa nila? Or nasaan ito? Wala. Hindi nakalagay. Kaya, this is an example of phrase. Ray and May. Sila lang dalawa subject, no? Pero anong ginagawa ni Ray and May? Meron ba? Nakalagay ba? Ray and May are friends? May nakalagay bang ganon? Wala. So, hindi kompleto, kaya non-sentence. Sets in the west. Ano yun? Ano yung lumulubog sa west? Sa kanluran. Nakalagay ba? Hindi din. Kaya ito ay predicate, walang subject. Last one, flying a kite. Who is flying a kite? Wala. Hindi naman din nakalagay, di ba? Kaya hindi kompleto. So, these are examples of non-sentences. Tandaan, kapag sinabing non-sentences or phrases, ito yung hindi kompleto ang diwa. Either may subject, pero walang predicate, or predicate lang, walang subject. And that's it. Magsasagot na tayo ng ating learning task 1. Match the pictures in column A with the non-sentences in column B. Write the letters of your answers in your notebook. So, hindi pa tayo mag-identify here kung sentence or non-sentences, but you are going to connect or identify which suits the picture. Okay? Number 1. Hanapin. Babasahin ni teacher yung mga pagpipilian nyo. A. A pretty dress. B. A beautiful rose. C. The two eyes. D. A big vase. And letter E. The last leaf. That is number 2. Number 3. Basahin ulit ni teacher ang pagpipilian. A. A pretty dress. B. A beautiful rose. C. The two eyes. D. A big vase. And E. The last leaf. Number 4. And for number 5, ayan, basahin ulit ni teacher ang pagpipilian. A. A pretty dress. B. A beautiful rose. C. The two eyes. D. A big vase. E. The last leaf. Learning task 2. Match the pictures in column A with the sentences in column B. Write the letters of your answers in your notebook. Dito, sentences naman na imamatch natin doon sa picture. I'll be reading you the sentences, but I will not explain fully. Hindi ko explain tatagalugin lahat kasi this is English nga. Yung ilan lang, yung mga words. No, words pero hindi yung mismong sentence. A. Aura sleeps well. Pag sinabing well, maganda, maayos. B. They are nice parents. Mabait. Yung parents, magulang. C. Linda fixes her bed. Yung fixes, ibig sabihin nag-aayos. And letter D. Anthony takes a bath. Naligo. E. My mother washes our clothes. O yung washes, washes? Nilalabhan. Okay? So, these are the pictures. I will not repeat the sentences anymore. 1. Ayan. 2. 3. 4. 5. Learning task 3. Write S if the given item is a sentence and NS if it is a non-sentence. Write your answers in your notebook. So ito daw, S ang isusulat kapag sentence. Yan. Tapos NS naman daw kung non-sentence. Remember na ang sentence ay may complete thought. May subject, may predicate. Pagka naman NS, ito yung hindi kompleto. Either subject lang or predicate lang. Ready? Number 1. My name is Paula Marie. Number 2. My wonderful pet. Three, Anna's new phone. 4. What is your name? 5. Her father's house. 6. The children are playing. 7. Ramon sings a song. 8. I am sorry. 9. Playing the piano. 10. Selling some apples. For learning task 4, group the items A to J below as the sentences and non-sentences. Write only the letters of your answers in the table. Do this in your notebook. So in your notebook, you have to write this. Yan, gawa ka ng ganitong table or either wala nang ganito, no? Kahit yung nakalagay lang sentence, tapos sa baba nun, doon mo ilalagay yung letter ng example ng sentences, tapos dun sa baba ng non-sentences, lagay mo lang yung mga letters. Para, pwede na hindi mag-table, importante naman ma-identify mo alin dun yung sentences, alin dun yung non-sentences. So, ito na yun. Letter A, reading books. B, I love my parents. C, Luis enjoys his vacation. Letter lang ang isusulat ha, doon sa sentences, tapos doon sa non-sentences. Letter D, Clara reads some stories. E, Alexa and Arman. Letter F, my sister bakes a cake. G, drinking apple juice. H, Carlo recites a poem. I, visiting my grandparents. And for letter J, Vin's favorite toy. Learning task 5. Medyo marami since ito naman ay 2 linggo, no? Weeks 2 and 3. Tell if each given item is a sentence or a non-sentence. Do this in your notebook. Ang isasagot sa inyong notebook ay ito. Sentence ba o non-sentence? Number 1, a long belt. Number 2, this is our house. Number 3, it is a beautiful bridge. And for number 4, visiting my doctor. In your notebook, complete the paragraph by selecting your answers from the choices above. Ito yung ating pagpipilian, combining sentence, non-sentences. Tito Ilagay na lang dun sa notebook yung numbers 1, 2, 3. You don't have to write this all. Masyado mahaba. No, kahit yung sagot na lang, okay na. A group of words is formed by blank, different words. These group of words may either be sentence or non-sentence. A blank is a group of words that shows a complete meaning or thought. Ito daw yung kompleto. Ha? May subject, may predicate. Meanwhile, a blank is also a group of words but does not tell a complete idea. And that's it. Thank you for watching, kids. Enjoy sa pagsasagot. Sana mas okay na Taglish. Let me know kung babalik tayo doon sa pure English. Pero sana hindi na kasi sobrang hirap. Nahihirapan ako na pure English. Tapos may isip ko lang na mas okay ba? Ayan, just let me know, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!